Pregnancy scanning myths. I'm talking about the ultrasound. So there are a lot of people out there who are absolutely telling a lot of rumors regarding these scannings which are done. So I'm going to put in some light into this and tell you what exactly the reality is. The first myth: ultrasound uses radiation, which is completely untrue. Ultrasound uses harmless high-frequency sound waves, but in X-ray and in the CT scan, definitely the radiation is used. But in ultrasound, there is absolutely no radiations. The second myth: ultrasound is absolutely bad for the baby, which is not true. Ultrasound is very much important to know the growth of the baby, and according to the meta-analysis and the review of literature which has been published by the WHO, absolutely they state that ultrasound is absolutely safe in pregnancy. There are a lot of myths going on regarding all the health issues, so don't randomly believe all of them. For more such tips, subscribe my YouTube channel. The link is provided in my bio, and also don't forget to hit the bell button for notification, and also share this video so that it will be helpful. A lot of people out there. So what are you guys waiting for? Subscribe.